Hello and welcome back to the ESCAPADES. So in this video I'm going to be showing you on how to certify and authenticate your marriage certificate. So first things first, you will have to log in into your eCitizen account as shown below. I have already logged into my eCitizen account and proceed to the registrar of marriages. Once you are in this particular tab, you will click on that and it will bring you to this particular section whereby you're going to come and click on application of certified copy. On this particular section, it's where we are going to be certifying that our marriage certificate is original and true. So once you click on application of a certified copy, it's going to bring you to this particular section whereby you will go direct into the instructions. So let's look at the description of this particular service. So this certificate is issued by the registrar to certify and verify that a marriage certificate is registered under civil, Christian, Hindu or customary marriage, confirming that the marriage record exists. So this is what you require if an embassy or a foreign entity or an organization wants to verify that it's true that you are married and your marriage is legally recognized, either civil, Christian or Hindu. So these are the necessary requirements so that you can apply for this particular service. You are going to fill in the online application form. Then you're going to indicate this particular section, the system of marriage, name of the parties to the marriage, date of marriage and the place of marriage. Upon a successful search, applicant will be notified to make a payment. Okay, so once you have gone through these instructions, just make sure now you proceed to the next part whereby it's going to ask you the system of marriage. These are the various types of marriage. There is a civil marriage, the Christian marriage or the Hindu marriage. So you are going to choose the most appropriate according to your marriage. So it can be civil. It means that you had gone to the Attorney General's office and you got married there. The Christian marriage, it means you had a church wedding, while the Hindu marriage is, okay, I don't quite know that one, but these are the three main common types of marriage here in Kenya. So for me, I'll just select the Christian marriage, the one that I am most familiar with. Then application type. So this is asking you the application type that you would want to search for. Is it a certified copy of certificate of marriage or certified copy of marriage register? So these are the two types of certified copies that you can get. So for this case, I would select the certified copy of certificate of marriage. Then it's going to ask you how many copies do you require. Okay, how many copies do you require, from 1 all the way to 5? So for me, I would maybe say I will require 3. So once you are done here, you'll just proceed to the next part. Yeah, so in this second part, as you can see down here, let's continue to next. So in this second part, it's details of the applicants. These are the details of the applicant. So if I'm the one applying using my eCitizen account, I'm going to write my details up here. So I can just write my name. So my name is Clinton. Yeah, I'm also going to write my phone number just for the purpose of this video. So that's it. I think these are 10 digits if I'm not wrong. Yes, they are. Then I'm going to write my address. Then it's asking me full name of the husband and the full names of the wife. So the full names of the husband and the wife. So I'm just going to write that. Print first. Okay. So that's the full name of the husband, and the full name of the wife is the date of our marriage. So it's asking me when did we get married, so we'll just click here. We got married, let's just say we got married on October 26, 2023. Then down here it's asking the place of marriage. Where did you get married? So the county of marriage. So let's just say we got married in Kiambu, just like the way we indicate in our other applications. So we got married in Kiambu. The place of marriage over here, was it a church wedding or a garden wedding? So let's just say it was a church wedding. The venue, it was African Church International. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this video so far. Please consider to subscribe to this channel for more content, like this video, and once again thank you guys for always coming back to watch our videos. So from here we'll continue to the next part, just like that. So in this particular section it's asking us officiated by. Kindly note the name of the registrar or minister of faith who officiated your wedding. So our minister of faith was called Francis Kama, just like that. Then address and name and address of the registrar office / place of worship. So the name and address, so African Inland International Kiambu, you see. So it's also asking us entry number of the certificate or register. This is the entry number of the certificate that was issued to you once you got married. So we are going to write that as the entry number. Other particulars which would help to trace your entry. If you have any other particulars that would help to trace your entry or your marriage certificate, you can add it there. So for me, I'll just say nil. There is no other particulars. Then this part, number 17, it gives us the comments. You can just say none because I don't have any comments. Then once I'm done, you're supposed to just proceed to next. Then over here it's where now you're going to upload this particular document, a certified copy of the marriage certificate and a certified copy of the registrar certificate or special license certificates. So these are the two uploads that you're supposed to attach over here. So I'm going to attach a few random documents for the purposes of making this video. I hope you're enjoying the video so far, guys. So let's just say I've gotten this is our document, then this is also our document. So this is also another document. So as you can see, these two documents are supposed to be in PDF format. Then once you are complete with this, the upload section, you are going to proceed to the next part, whereby it's going to ask us to pay for our service. So as you can see, it's giving us the payment section, whereby I'm supposed to pay 2,350. And please, if you can remember from our initial application, we had said that we wanted three copies of certifications that our marriage is legitimate. So for each and every copy, it costs around 760 Kenya shillings. So tentatively, that's why it is coming to 2350. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video so far. So until next time, guys, Goodbye.